An engine valve is a precisely manufactured metallic component that allows or restricts fuel and gases into the cylinders of an internal combustion, or IC engine. The regions of an engine valve include a circular head, a long stem, a tappet end, a seat face, and a keeper groove. An engine typically has an inlet valve and an exhaust valve. The inlet valve allows the air-fuel mixture to enter the cylinder, and the exhaust valve allows the combusted gases to exit the cylinder. The inlet valve is typically monometallic, made of one metal such as low alloy steel. The exhaust valve is typically bimetallic, made of two different metals such as stainless steel and low alloy steel. The material composition for engine valves is based on specific functional requirements. To withstand the high temperatures of the combusted gases that exit the IC engine, a heat-resistant and corrosion-resistant metal, such as stainless steel, is used to make the head of the exhaust valve. To withstand the mechanical stresses within the IC engine, a stress-resistant hard metal, such as low alloy steel, is used to make the stem of the exhaust valve and the inlet valve. To meet specific functional requirements, the engine valve goes through a sequence of precisely controlled manufacturing processes, which vary between the inlet valve and the exhaust valve to accommodate their specific material composition. Every manufacturing process is meticulously monitored and inspected to ensure the highest quality, which allows for prompt correction or rejection of any faulty engine valves, guaranteeing reliable performance.